Hello mentors. So we have made the hack for the best project that addresses climate change sponsored by Race 21 and Tech. In TO hacks we have made an evolution of climate change in India and Canada, which is a data mining project using Panda and Python as our coding language in Colab Notebook. As we all know that this amid COVID-19 hits our health in a very hard way, but with the lockdown in the countries lead to the change in climate in a very favorable.
So let's start. This is our world map. And talking about climate change, it includes both global warming driven by human induced emissions of greenhouse gases and the resulting large scale effect in weather patterns. So it has been a phenomena from mid 20th century, and I have taken the dataset from worldbank.org of both Canada and India, and we are mining the data to see the pattern between Canada's and India's climate change before COVID and after COVID, and also comparing between two. So here I just have taken a CSV and uploaded. So we have five columns: temperature in Celsius, year, statistics, country, ISO3. So that is the code. So I've just made a histogram of the temperature. So it is showing me that how many times that temperature was there. So it is showing me the frequency. Then I've just described all the important things as how many values are there, what is the mean, what is the standard deviation, and everything. So this is a graph that is showing a plot between year and temperature. So how in 1991, how it like goes up, then goes down, and then goes up, then goes down. So this is all the data. Now this is another line plot visualization of multivariate time series. So I've taken three parameters: year, statistics, and temperature. Then we go to temperature versus year. Then we have for statistics and temperature Celsius. So as the temperature in January is very less, then when you go to February and then May and then June, and then once it hits like on the top, and then it goes coming down. So it has values like January average and February average, March average. So before COVID, so I've taken the data of 2019. So I've used it in another like data frame, and I've plotted this graph. So it's for January, Feb, March, April, May, June, and all the average. But after COVID, I've taken like 2020, that was the year, and then I've made the graph. So we can see that here we have like a decline, but here it is towards incline. So it's not declining, and then it goes up, 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 and here it goes up, 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 and just there is not much difference in, but there is a huge difference in the starting of the months. For India, so India has made like a huge change after COVID, and the air pollution is very less because people were in their homes and there was no vehicle around. So for the India, uh, I've taken the read CSV, and then I've done the same thing for India. I've made plots year and temperature. So I you could see like in India we have 30 degrees Celsius, but if I go to if I go to Canada, it's more like 11. So there's a huge difference between like the highest point also. And then I've done the same line plot visualization, uh, plot bar, and then stats versus um, temperature Celsius, and then January, February, March. And so before COVID, there was 2019. This is the data, and this is our curve, okay, for 2019. But after COVID, for 2020, we have a weird curve. So for this, it was not very inclined, but it has like steep inclines and declines. So this is the difference. And if we go if we compare India versus Canada, the difference is very huge. So this is only our project, and we want to do more of it for other countries as well.